Hello everyone, welcome back to Lulu Chinese. I'm currently on vacation in Thailand and I'm going to stay at a resort. And today we're going to learn some useful Chinese vocabulary at a resort. The first thing I need you to notice is that sometimes when we're on vacation and you can stay in a hotel or in a villa or resort. If you stay in a hotel and then you should say 酒店 酒店 Or if you will stay at a villa or a resort, you could say 度假村 度假村 And this time for my vacation, I will stay at a resort. So that means I will stay at a 度假村 Now it's time for us to look around to learn more useful Chinese vocabulary at a 度假村 And now I'm at the lobby of the resort. And we call lobby as 大堂 大堂 And if you want to check in or check out, you can also find the reception desk here. We call it 前台 前台 Now follow me to check in at this resort. Check in 入住 入住 But how about check out? 退房 退房 Yes, remember, when we go to the reception to check in or check out, that means we're going to check in 入住 or check out 退房 Excellent! And I'm already finished check-in. Now follow me to look around other facilities in this resort. There are many coconut trees in Thailand. So we call them 椰子树 椰子树 Beautiful, right? 漂亮，对吗？ There are some pools at this resort. And we call these pools as 池塘 池塘 Very big pool here in front of the lobby. 大池塘大池塘 And in these pools, you can see some water lilies. And we call them 睡莲睡莲 In some hotel or some resort villa, you can see there's some rooms only for kids. And we call them 儿童房 Now, I'm at a kids room, so I'm at 儿童房 And in the morning, when you wake up, you have to go to a place to have breakfast, right? So this place, we call it 餐厅 餐厅 And normally, in a hotel or at a resort, you will have a buffet breakfast, which is 自助早餐自助早餐 And at most resorts or villa in Thailand, you can find massage in that villa or resort. And we call massage as 按摩按摩 You can see the sea at this resort. You can see 大海大海 Now it's almost Christmas, right? So we can see some Christmas decoration everywhere. And for this one, we call it 圣诞花环圣诞花环 And for this big Christmas tree, we call it 圣诞树圣诞树 Are you ready for Christmas? And at a resort, you can say a lot of signs give you some warnings, right? For example, this sign reminds you to be cautious because the white floor. And we call it 小心地湿小心地湿 And of course, at a villa, you will see a big swimming pool, and we call it 游泳池游泳池 If you want to look for toilets, then you could see some signs said toilets, and we call it 厕所. 厕所. And there are a lot of grassland at this resort, and we call it 草地. 草地. If it's raining, you could borrow an umbrella, and we call umbrella as 雨伞. 雨伞. If you get lost at this resort, you could always find a map, which is 地图. 地图. The scenery is beautiful here, right? 风景很美丽. 风景很美丽. Or you could say 风景很漂亮. 风景很漂亮. Now I'm arrived at my room, and my room number is 604, and we call room number as 房间号. 房间号. And my room number is 我的房间号是604. 604. 我的房间号是604. Okay, I'm just got back to my room. It's very hot outside. Very hot. 非常热. 非常热. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and hope you have a wonderful Christmas holiday. I will see you in my next lesson. Bye!